Find a leaf that you like, place it anywhere that you want. I'll put mine on my poo note that I already had made. If you want to, you can do as well, or you can put it on a reef that you already own. After you figure out where you want it to place the leaf, then you get some scissors and you poke a hole in it, and then you put the leaf inside of it, as you see what I'm doing now. If you want the leaf to be more secure, I'm taking a hot glue gun, as you see now, and I'm securing it where I want the leaf to lay. Hey guys, I am outside on my porch. This is the fall reef decoration do-it-yourself project that I have done. This is the end results. The background of this right here wasn't planned out. We just had it a long time ago, and it actually made the whole reef pop really well unexpectedly. And it goes good with the reef, as you can see. But yes, the ending results, like how the whole fall leaf came about, how it turned out with the berries, fall berries, and with the turn that goes with the, I guess, like gray, bluish tone berries, then with the gray, bluish fall kind of like insert with the orange inside of it. I like how that just returned out. It really popped to me. And then with the pine cone or acorn, leave a comments down below. What do you say? Do you say pine cone or acorn? But yeah, just let me know about that situation. But yes, it looks so beautiful. I love how it turned out. I got a whole bunch of compliments about this reef. Everybody thought that I actually bought it, but I didn't. Which is so funny because I just did it myself. But yes, sorry guys, but I love how it turned out. But please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.